This is my dog snoring.
It could be unfinished business.
The way I believe it goes, if you don't solve somebody's murder, they wait until somebody actually solves the problem they had.
Takes over the couch, the bed.
I really believe that.
I believe God will be here. He'll just be here. I believe that he's waiting for justice. And until he gets justice, he's not going to leave. Roxanne,
Such a big snore for a little dog.
I just want to keep her safe. I don't know that he would hurt her, but I don't want to put her in a situation where something could happen.
Once we find out who killed him, I think that would be his crossover by himself.
Such a cute little fidget.